Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome back. We are in
Bahía de los Muertos.
Bahía de los Muertos.
And it is a stunner.
Yeah, also known as Bahía de los Sueños. So Bahía de los Muertos means Bay of the Dead, which is its original name. And then when they started making resorts and things out here they wanted people to come to, it sounded a little morbid. So they've renamed it Bahía de los Sueños, which is Bay of Dreams. So it's a really quiet bay. There's not a whole lot here. There's the restaurant on one end, which we're camped above, and the resort down on the other end, which is where we're walking towards now. But
yeah,
it's
a super swanky resort.
Yeah, very nice. But it's a nice little hiding spot for all the sailboats. They're blocked from the north winds, so therefore the bay is also very calm. We're kind of on the edge whether we're getting in the water today because it is warm.
We're gonna paddleboard.
Yeah, we're definitely going paddleboarding. The cool thing about the restaurant is they'll let you stay a night for free above, like near the restaurant or near their upper parking lot, I guess, if you eat there. So it's kind of a cool deal.
So we've eaten there.
Yeah, and the restaurant's not bad. It's a little pricey, but it's good food, and for a free stay, I'm not gonna complain. Anyways, yeah, we're excited to check it out some more, do some paddleboarding, and yeah, follow along.
It looks so peaceful out on the water that, I mean, I just can't imagine being on one of these sailboats. The sailboat life is starting to really look appealing.
Yep, once you can afford one. So it's January 18th.
We've been in Baja for a little over 3 months now.
Not even 10 a.m. and we're getting too hot walking on the beach. We made friends with this Canadian couple, and that's their bus. They have a 3-year-old?
Yeah.
2-year-old, 3-year-old? Little girl, they're super nice. We had drinks with them last night, and they already beat us to the paddleboarding, but we're gonna head out now and join them.
So this is where we're camped, and actually we are not your typical travelers or overlanders or whatever, because we have never actually stayed in a parking lot, not even a Walmart parking lot. So this is a first for us, and it's not bad.
I mean, if you're gonna stay in a parking lot,
yeah.
I mean, look at our view. There's a restaurant. It's pretty epic. And there's actually a really cool little history about this bay that we'll get into in a little bit. It is just so nice and calm today. It's a perfect day for paddling in the bay, and the water's super clear. It looks really inviting. We might have to get in.
We're getting in. We have to get in. Jimmy's putting on his wetsuit top because this water is just so inviting and so gorgeous, and we have to jump in. The reef is very impressive. There's been some amazing fish. They all seem a little skittish. They're definitely not used to people here. But yeah, we're going in.
talking bullshit. It's hard to see when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue too. That blue. Sort of whitney and jaded, but let's not talk about you.
There's so many of those bright blue ones,
I know.
you know, and then I haven't seen them. I haven't seen them like so big. Only those little ones that jet in and out. But I've caught a few. I hope it shows up in the camera.
Yeah, more variety of fish that I've ever seen.
I am getting pushed around a ton by the swell, but it feels cool because I'm like going with the fish. So you see something.
Blue moon, been one or two since I ran into you.
It's so awesome. This is just too much fun. We're coming back next year with full wetsuits, weight belts. I think I might bring my spearfishing pole. So, in the chance I do see something that's edible, we can grab it for dinner.
I don't want to get out.
I know, it's too much fun. We gotta get going though.
Oh, I'm nervous now.
Use your fins, yeah.
I did.
Now we're going in for some lunch. Patron the restaurant. How's it going? That's not that bad. Let's snag that one. This one? Just empty? Hola, ¿está bien? Okay. Sí, gracias. Our table from last night. So talk about a view.
Yeah.
Of a restaurant. And it's so quiet. I mean, today's actually really busy in the restaurant.
I mean, because it's a fabulous day.
Yeah, it's a perfect day to be out, so.
But the water looks extra blue from up here. Gracias. Gracias.
Frozen ice cream. Gracias. Cheers, cheers. Oh my goodness. Grandísimo. Okay, bueno, gracias.
De nada.
Oh my goodness, get that first bite. You don't need a knife and fork, get out of here.
Guac is good.
I like that salsa.
Mm-hmm. This one's hot, nice and hot. So the nachos were pretty good, but they, as you saw, they were a giant portion.
Yeah.
So we ended up grabbing our Canadian friends who live in the bus and sharing, and that turned into a longer
hangout session.
A longer hangout session than we anticipated. But now we're just walking out to the point, and this is super cool.
So cool history about this bay is back in the 1500s, it was a, what was it, like a merchant bay?
Yeah.
Like a port?
Yeah.
More recently, in the late 1800s, it was the port for Triunfo, the small town in the mountains.
Gold and silver.
Yeah, for the mining town. So they would bring it down from the mountains, and this was the closest bay to them and the safest bay. And then they built this warehouse and little steps down to the water to load up the ore or the whatever. I guess it was already refined. I don't know, but it's really cool. You can still, there's some iron left in them too. Oh, there's some big creds.
Yeah.
We like this kind of stuff, like old historical facts about a place. Now, like, obviously the road that they brought the ore in is now just, there's a restaurant planted right in the middle of it. So it's just like different eras. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, but that said, it is like 3:30, and we have to pack up and get to La Paz today.
Yeah, we do. And so yeah, that's the next step, just to pack the trailer up, hit the road, head back to La Paz, and yeah,
On to the next adventure.
find another adventure to go do.